Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on resetting and restoring your iPhone to factory settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Note that resetting to factory settings will wipe all of the data you may have stored on your iPhone, such as photos, contacts, app data, etc. So make sure that if you want to keep the data, you have it backed up to iCloud or somewhere else. Open up the settings and tap on General. Scroll to the bottom of General and tap on Reset. On the Reset page, you want to tap on Erase All Content and Settings. Again, before you continue, make sure that any data you want to keep from your phone is backed up. Tap Erase Now. You will now have to enter your phone's password to continue. Tap Erase iPhone. Your phone will now be completely reset to factory settings, and when it restarts, it will need to be set up like a new phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iPhone tips and tricks.